In this video I'm adding a cheap brushless motor into a toy boat and turning it into a racing catamaran. Follow me through all of the steps of the upgrade and see a demo at the end of the video. Let's get started. I bought this toy boat for no money on eBay and first had to clean it off from some dust. Biggest challenges of this boat are space limitations, and the end of the boat was broken. I first had to disassemble and remove all of the other parts to be able to repair the broken back. While letting the color dry, it's time to think about the motor mount that I wanted to make from a 3D printed block. The used propeller was actually too big for the small motor, but as catamarans don't go too deep into the water, it should be okay. At the end you will see that I'm first using a 2S battery and then stepping up to a 3S battery. After adding the rest of the other electronic parts, it's finally time to test it out. I started with a 2S LiPo just to see how many amps the motor would be drawing from the battery. I was already pretty happy with the performance, and knowing that the motor could go up to 30 amps for a short period of time, there was definitely room for more performance. With the 3S LiPo is definitely much higher, and the catamaran is even lifting off from the water, and I'm not even going over 25 amps. Only minor issues are that the motor is getting pretty hot and the screws were actually getting loose. I think this video is a nice example that even second-hand boats can easily be refurbished and upgraded and can even have great performances. Thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and follow my channel. Thank you!